Yeah, when I say that our education unit is not asleep, what I mean is that they are doing their bit and doing what they are supposed to do within the remit of the law that enjoins EPA to work. Maybe people want to see them do more, yes, and maybe within the next couple of within next year you will see how they will be more vibrant. But the education is not only limited to the education unit of the EPA. All the various departments also carry out education. Mining, we do carry out education when we go to the field. Manufacturing, they do. Petroleum, they do. Build environment. So depending on the kind of unit that you are, but they are the overarching kind of unit. So it's not only meeting the people, but they do publications for us, which we use for education. So that is some of the works they do. So it's not necessarily only engaging the communities or the citizens of Ghana. They develop newsletters, they develop flyers and things which other units use to do the education. So that is what they have been doing. So sometimes people may see that they are not doing anything, but they are behind the scenes doing a lot of work, because if you look at our mandate and you look at the EPA Act, environmental awareness is one of the key principles that the EPA is supposed to be carrying out.
Na yɛde ahyɛ mampanyin-nsa sɛ ɔnhwɛ na bɛntua ɔno nkyerɛ sɛ bi woyɛ kuani na wofa labor anaasɛ caretaker wɔ wafuom sɛ ɔnhwɛ afuo no a ɔno bɛtumi agyina hɔnom a nsusuiɛ bi a wowu nsusui sɛ wowu bɛyɛ no ɔbɛhyɛ no ho ayɛ enti na saa entry point communication ɛkwan a ɔbɛfa so awura kuro no mu wɔabɔ amanneɛ sɛ adwuma a mebɛyɛ nie ma obi anya ho nteaseɛ na watumi aka sɛ mepɛ anaa mempɛ no sɛ woanyɛ ne yie a how would you buy so no? About chance to carry Benya, it's the entry years of mine. So, a free prior informed consent now. And you could be over baby, or your company now, say, Obina, Pabaya, a Juma will be new chrome, Obina Sassano. What should you say over many Pacrono and whom? A how na and Fasua, Obina, at one channel. Once a development view of Holma. Then you probably walk around a group of pre-prepping. So I said, Yam Pia, I said, I pintin na microphobia from a broker for a pra. Where did Emrano free? I say, oh, shady pacrono. Oh, Fessica and from say, Michio County Cassette. One cassette say, one quanko cassia near Woodino, me maundi, or you free from coercion, free from oppression, free from anything, any encumbrances. Prior, I say, oh, yes, I near me, and son out the Sophia perform. Oh, yet now free compensation. I'll bet you as a wound here. Not that you wound here.